Welcome guys, in this video I will write the Python program for the exercise 24 of chapter 5. In this program I will define a function draw pattern that will draw the given pattern on the screen. This program will ask the user to enter the width and height of the pattern, and then draw pattern function will use these width and height as an argument and will draw the pattern of given width and height. Let's write the program. First of all, import turtle and prompt the user to enter the height and width of the pattern. So create a variable width and set this equal int input, enter the width of the pattern, create another variable height and set this equal int input, enter the height of the pattern. Now after this, create two more variables x and y and set these equal x equal 200 and also y equal 200. This is the xy position where our pattern will start. After this, define a function draw pattern and give this two parameters w and h, w for width and h for height. And in this function, first write the code to draw an outer square. First of all, pen up the turtle dot pen up. After this, go to the position where our pattern will start. So turtle dot go to x comma y, and after this turtle dot pen down. Now first of all draw the upper width of outer square. So turtle dot set heading 180. Now turtle dot forward W. As it is drawing the width, so give this W. Let's check the program. At last, call the draw pattern function and give this width and height as argument. Let's run the program. The width of the pattern, enter 400, enter the height of the pattern, enter 400. Here set turtle speed to minimum, turtle dot speed 1. Now let's run again. Enter the width of the pattern 400, height of the pattern 400. So here it start drawing. At last enter the one more line so that turtle screen wait for the enter key to exist. Let's run again. Enter the width of the pattern, enter 400, enter the height of the pattern, enter 400. Here our turtle start drawing, and it draw the upper width of our outer square. After drawing the upper width, now we will draw the left height of our outer square. So here turtle dot set heading to 270, and again turtle dot forward height. After drawing the left height, now we will again draw the lower width of our outer square. So turtle dot set heading to 360, and turtle dot forward width. Now let's check again. Enter the width of the pattern 400, enter the height of the pattern 400, and it start drawing. Now the right height of our outer square is remaining. So now I will write the code to draw the right height. So here turtle dot set heading to 90 upward, and turtle dot forward width height. Now run again. Enter the width of the pattern 400, enter the height of the pattern 400, and it start drawing. Now we will write the code to draw the middle square. So first of all, turtle dot pen up and set the position. Turtle dot go to x minus 30, comma y minus 30. Our outer square was started at x comma y. Now our middle square will start at x minus 30 comma y minus 30. Both x and y position are 30 pixel less than the outer square. After this, turtle dot pen down and draw the upper width of the middle square. So turtle dot set heading 180, and forward turtle dot forward w minus 60. Width of our outer square was w, and width of our middle square is w minus 60. 60 pixel less than the outer square. After this, draw the left height of our middle square. So turtle dot set heading 270, and turtle dot forward h minus 60, Let's check the program. Enter the width of the pattern. Enter 400. Enter the height of the pattern 400. Here our drawing started, and first it started drawing outer square, and now it started drawing inner middle square, and now we will draw the lower width of our middle square. So turtle dot set heading to 360, and turtle dot forward the width W minus 60. After the lower width, we will draw the right height of our middle square. So turtle dot set heading 90, and turtle dot forward H minus 60. Now we will check the program. Enter the width of the pattern 400. Enter the height of the pattern 400. Now our outer square and middle square is drawn completely. Now we will draw the inner square that is filled with black color. So for drawing inner square, first of all turtle dot pen up and go to the position where our inner square will start drawing. Turtle dot go to x minus 60, comma y minus 60. Our outer square was started at x and y. Our middle square was started at x minus 30 and y minus 30. And at last our middle square is started at x minus 60, y minus 60. And turtle dot pen down. As our inner square is filled, so turtle dot begin fill. And now set heading to 180 to draw the upper height, and now set the heading to 180 to draw the upper width of our inner square. Turtle dot set heading to 180, and turtle dot forward W minus 120. The width of our outer square was W, and the width of our middle square was W minus 60. Now width of our inner square is W minus 120. So turtle dot forward W minus 120. After drawing the upper width, now we will draw the left height of our inner pattern. So turtle dot set heading to 270, and and turtle dot forward h minus 120. Let's check the program. Enter the width of the pattern 400. Enter the height of the pattern 400. It started drawing outer circle. After the outer circle, it started drawing middle circle. And after the middle square, it started drawing inner square, that is incomplete, so we will complete it. After the left height, we will draw the lower width of our inner square. So turtle dot set heading to turtle dot set heading to 360 and turtle dot forward W minus 120. After the lower width, we will draw the right height of our inner square. So turtle dot set heading to 90 and turtle dot forward h minus 120. And now let's check the program. Enter the width of the pattern 400. Enter the height of the pattern 400. And turtle started drawing. It draw an outer circle. Our inner square is not filled. Let's check. Here turtle dot and fill. Now run it again. Enter the width of the pattern 400. Enter the height of the pattern 400. And now it started drawing outer square. And after outer square, it started drawing middle square. And after the middle square, it started drawing inner square that will be filled and great. Now we will write the code to draw the lines on this pattern. After the pen up, go to the position where this line will be started drawing. So turtle dot go to x minus w over 2 comma y, which is the middle of upper width of our outer square. After this, turtle dot pen down and set heading downward. So turtle dot set heading 270 and cover the distance of height. so that it will reach vertically downward at the lower width. Turtle dot forward h. Let's check the program, run it, enter the width of the pattern 400, enter the height of the pattern 400 and check. As you can see, after drawing the inner filled square, turtle went to the middle of upper width and vertically forwarded to the middle of lower width. Now we will draw the line from middle of right hand height to the middle of left hand height. So now we will write the code to draw a line from middle of right height to middle of left height. So first of all, turtle dot pen up and go to the middle of right height. So turtle dot go to x minus w over 2 x comma y minus h over 2, which is the middle of our right height. After this, set heading to 270. After this, set heading to 180. Turtle dot set heading 180 and cover the distance of width. Turtle dot forward w. Let's run the program. Enter the width of the pattern 400, height of the pattern 400, and it started drawing. You can see after drawing the squares, it draw the lines, and line is not drawn. After going to the middle of right height, here type turtle dot pen down. Now run again. Enter the width of the pattern. Let enter 200. Enter the height of the pattern 200. And it started drawing. And this time it drawn correctly. Now we will draw the diagonal lines. First of all, we will draw a diagonal line 1 from the upper right corner to the lower left corner. So for this, first of all, turtle dot pen up and go to the upper right corner. Turtle dot go to x comma y, which is our upper right corner, and from this position turtle dot pen down and go to the lower left corner. So turtle dot go to x minus w comma y minus h, which is our lower left corner. Let's run the program. Enter the width of the pattern 200, enter the height of the pattern 200, and it started drawing. Great, it draw the diagonal line correctly. Now we will write the code to draw another diagonal line. Now we will draw a second diagonal line from upper left corner to the lower right corner. So turtle dot pen up and go to the upper left corner. Turtle dot go to x minus w comma y, which is our upper left corner, and turtle dot pen down and go to the lower right corner. Turtle dot go to x comma y minus h, which is our lower right corner, and let's check the program. Enter the width of the pattern 400, enter the height of the pattern 400, and you can check it started drawing the outer square. After the outer square, it started drawing middle square. And now it started drawing inner square. After the inner square, it drawn a vertical line and a horizontal line. And now it will draw two diagonal lines. And now our pattern is complete. You can give this the width and height of your own choice to draw the pattern of different size.